Hello and welcome to my Just Vintage Crochet channel, where you will find a multitude of tutorials on items that are just vintage crochet. It is a massive passion of mine. I do have another channel called It's Not Knit with crochet tutorials on it. You're going to find mostly more modern pieces, mostly my own works. I say mostly because I do have a few vintage videos on there. And I wanted to separate the vintage from the more modern stuff. And so I'm telling you, this is a fraction. What you see before you is a fraction of the vintage patterns that I physically own. So together, you and I will be making stuff from, let's just take a quick peek. When did this one come out? These are very, very old. 1944 pattern book. These are from the 40s. Here we have, I believe this is 1948. This here is from the 80s, 70s. I have pattern books from the 60s. I've got pattern books from the 10s, the 20s, the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and very early 90s. That's as far as I'm going to go, as well as the early 90s. We're talking 91, 92. Other than that, you won't find it on this channel. And it's not going to be just doilies and bedspreads either. Oh no, we're going to make gloves, hats, purses, jackets, evening wear, slippers, household items, placemats, tablecloths, whatever. I don't care. I want to make it all, and I want you guys to make it with me. And as you can see, I've already got some videos planned out. So please join me in this trip down memory lane and in this passion I have to keep these beautiful classic patterns alive. Let's not let them die. And if you don't know how to work or read vintage crochet, this is your home for vintage crochet. I'm going to teach you everything I know. I've learned so much. To be honest, even in a very short amount of time, I've learned much about specifically steel crochet hooks and the difference between what we use now and what was used then. So thank you for coming to my channel, and I really hope you guys learn how to read vintage patterns. There's so many out there for you guys to get your hands on and make these beautiful bedspreads. Got to tell you, the one I'm most excited to make, this one right here. Look at this stunning. Oh, I love it. So let's get into it.